Epic Universe might have just built the best family roller coaster in Florida. And I actually got to ride it. This is Hiccup's Wing Glider, a brand new Intamin coaster. Yep, the same company behind Cheetah Hunt, VelociCoaster, and Hagrid's. And honestly, it's the perfect blend. Smooth launches, fun twists, and just enough thrill to keep both kids and coaster enthusiasts smiling the entire ride. I've been on a lot of family coasters, but this one feels like it sets a whole new standard. SeaWorld. You should have called Intamin for Penguin Trek, because this is how you do it. If you love theme parks and roller coasters, hit that subscribe button right now, because I'm Matt Machine, and I've got way more POVs and theme park adventures coming your way.